Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
morning, good morning, good morning.
And thank you for watching. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm getting ready to restyle my hair. I've been wearing my hair like this for at least Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and now it's Wednesday. Yeah, 4 days. And I'm getting ready to change this style, but not really change it, but just to redo my hairstyle. And this is how I've been wearing it for the last couple of days. And it has worked for me. I put my cap on, I take my cap off, and I just do like this and and pretty much like that. And some days I don't do anything. I just let it fall where it may. Besides, I'm not going anywhere. But it's important to me to look good and feel good, even when I'm at home. Here we go. I'm going to take it out. And I also wanted you to see, before I take it out, I want you to see that my hair, the gray seemed to be coming through since I used the hair wax on my hair. And that's fine with me. I realized that the color of that black hair wax has some grayish hue in it, and so my hair wasn't completely black, but I like it anyway. And I can see that I'll probably be using it, you know, sometimes as a temporary color, like I said in the video, to bring out the younger me every now and then. I'm going to take this out. And at one point in the Q&A video, someone asked me the tools that I use on my hair. And they may have been asking me about a tool to retighten. And what I said was that I do not know how to retighten my hair. I've never tried. And so therefore I use no tools. So I can say that the only tool or accessory that I use in my hair are the Goody clips. And these come in so handy. I use them often as a loose natural, and they still come in very good for me, so I continue to use these. Now I'm going to take my hair out. Because I had this side. And you know, I could go just like this with nothing else. And I realize that that's a style within itself. But I'm going to go ahead and style it the way I had it earlier. And I also want you to see that now that my hand is damp, or my hair is damp, that the color is now on my fingers. So when I shampoo my hair, and I am going to do a video showing how I shampoo my hair and when I shampoo my hair, so that you'll see how easily or how difficult it is to get the wax out of the hair. And then now, whatever is loose in the front, I just let it hang down this way. And that's the style I'm going to wear today. I want you to see that that's been 2 hairstyles that I've shown you. And I could also do this. And I could also add that twist into the back, but I'm not. So that's my style for today. And I will be using the hair color again. So you have a wonderful day. I'm a sister who loves her locks. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my subscribers. And I especially love God. Because even going through these trying times, He has been a blessing to me. He has continually blessed me. He is just a wonderful God. Awesome. Have a great day.